Hi guys, it's Chloe. Thank you for watching, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video is going to be how I do my gel nails at home. And a little background, the reason I started doing my own nails at home is because there was a news about this one specific person who got a fungus or HIV or something like that in a nail salon, and that really scared me. So I decided to why not start my own nails? So a little background, I've been getting my nails done for the past, I'd like to say at least 10 years. I've always had long extension acrylic nails, and I decided it was time for me to try something different. And I wanted to save some money too. So I decided to buy everything on Amazon. I looked up a lot of videos how to do your own gel nails at home, and surprisingly it's fairly easy. And the only negative part about it is like you have to buy everything all at once, but at the same time the amount of money that I spent getting all the equipment is pretty much equal to 2 appointments at a salon. So I think in the long run I will save a lot of money. And I always thought that it was going to take me really long, but every time I go to a nail salon it always takes me at least 3 hours to get my nails done, and I can do that in the comfort of my own home now. If you guys want to learn how to do your own gel nails at home so you can save some money, continue watching, and without further ado, let's get started. So here's everything that you need. You're gonna need a lamp, a brush, a cuticle remover, a nail primer, builder base, a base coat, and a top coat, your choice of gel polish. This is optional, but you can add some rhinestones. You also need some nail tools, 100% acetone, foil, cotton pads, and scissors. Let's get started. So as you can see, these are my old previous nails. They're 3 weeks long, and I'm just taking a file and I'm just filing the first layer of my nails so it's easier for me to soak them off. And you want to do this for the rest of your nails. And once it's done, you want to take your brush and brush off the dust. And then you're going to take your acetone, your cotton pads, and your foil, and you want to wrap that and soak it for the next 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
After 15 minutes, you want to check your nails and see where your nails are at. And you're going to use one of your tools to scrape off the first layer. You don't want to force this because you don't want to wreck your nails as well. And if soaking them wasn't enough, I used the bowl and some acetone and I soaked them more.
1 eternity later.
Okay, so all the old gel polish are gone, and now we can start with prepping our nails. So I'm using this cuticle remover from Sally Hansen as my personal favorite because it does a wonderful job. And using this tool, you want to push all the cuticles in your nail bed. Make sure to be careful because it's pretty sharp. And once you're done, you want to use the nail clipper and clip around the cuticles to have the fresh manicure look. And now you can choose whatever shape that you like. This time I am going to try something different and do almond shaped nails. And once you have your desired shape, brush all the dust away. So now I'm using a 180 grit nail file. I'm just buffing the shine on my nails. You want to do this because you want to roughen it up a little bit so your gel polish sticks to your nails and there's no chipping or lifting at all. And you want to brush all the dust. And your nails are ready to go. So first step, you're going to use a nail primer or pH bonder. This is important before you apply your base so everything sticks to your nails properly. And now you're ready to apply your first coat of base coat. Here, as you can see, I'm doing this motion because you want to make sure that every layer that you apply to your nails is as thin as possible. The thinner you do it, even though it takes a long time, is better for your nails because you don't want to use a lot of products. You can see here I'm taking my time making sure nothing touches my skin to avoid lifting, and you want to apply on your edges to avoid lifting, and you want to cure for 60 seconds. So now we're ready to apply your gel polish. This time I'm using white. And again, as you can see here, I'm trying to apply as thin as possible. And you want to take your time here and make sure that you apply as thin as possible and avoiding your skin as well. Because if anything touches your skin and you cure it, that will be the reason why a lot of nails actually lift or you get chipping. And as you can see here, I'm putting it on the edges to seal everything in, and you want to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so this part is optional, but I enjoy using Builder Base because if your nails are fragile or if you have any cracks in your nails or if you have an unevenness, it will even everything out and it will make your nail polish last for at least 3 weeks. And the beauty about Builder Gel is because it doesn't set until you cure it in the light. So as you can see here, I'm applying rhinestones, and this part is optional as well, but I love a little bit of a bling. And I'm using this wax pen to grab all the jewels to make everything a lot easier. And as you can see here, I'm almost done and it's looking really good. And you just want to make sure that everything is set in place. And I decided to apply bigger rhinestones all over the rest of my nails. And as you can see here, I dropped the rhinestone, but the Builder Gel is not set, so you can move things around. And then now you want to cure for 60 seconds. So grabbing your Builder Base again, I'm repeating the step, making sure that I cover everything. This is something I learned about the nail techs in Asia. They usually use the Builder Gel to seal everything in. And honestly, it works like magic. I've been using this for the past 2 months, and all my rhinestones nail polish always lasts me at least 3 weeks. Okay guys, so we're finally in our last step, and this is probably the most important step, and that is applying top coat. You want to take your time here because you want to make sure that everything is covered, and you want to avoid the skin around your nail beds, and also making sure that you apply on your edges to make sure that everything is sealed in. This is to make sure that nothing lifts for the next 3 weeks, and this is my favorite part because everything really comes together. And now you want to cure your nails for 2 minutes. And before we're done, I'm just applying some lotion just to moisturize my skin and the nail beds because they went through a lot. And here we are, finally we're done. I'm really impressed and I love how my nails turned out. I hope you guys like them too, and I hope you find some inspiration to do your own nails as well. And as you can see, it's not as bad as a lot of people might say, and honestly, it doesn't take as long as I thought it would be. And it's very relaxing for me doing my own nails, and I can do this at the comfort of my own home, wearing pajamas while watching my favorite show. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing. Till we meet again, this is Chloe signing out.